How to enter outfit code in catalog avatar creator. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you enter outfit codes catalog. To do it, so you have to open it up. Next you want to come to the left hand side corner and click on community outfit. As you click that up, you could see a pop-up window right over here. So this is where you could see the most popular Noob and all that. So what next you want to do is actually enter in the outfit code. You could also see at the bottom left hand side corner, you could go and click, or you could look at outfit code input box at the bottom of the page and enter the code that you found. So here it is. You could go ahead and enter in code. After you're done entering the code, please enter button on the outfit, and the outfit will load. You could preview the outfit by clicking try on to see how it looks on your avatar in the game, or you could see Roblox profile clicking the seams. This is how it actually works. I hope the video was. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.